Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add categories onto your Shopify shop. So on Shopify, categories mean collections. That's the other name for it. So the way you can do that is by going here, products, and then collections. On collection, as you can see, there's one collection already made on Shopify. It's called homepage. If you want to make a new one, just go on the top right button here, create collection. And then let's just title it. I'm going to title this clothings, because I'm going to sell clothings on these categories. And the description is pants, t-shirts, whatever. Doesn't really matter. And the collection type, you can either put it as manual or you can automate it. I'm just going to put it as manual. Once you're done with this, let's just save. Great. Now, after you save, then you can start adding in products. So I'm going to add a product. I'm going to add in a t-shirt. There you go. Add. And now the t-shirt is going to be part of this category or collection. And that is how you make categories on Shopify.